Calabar is a port city in southern Nigeria near the Cameroon border. It is the capital of Cross River State and is popularly regarded as the tourism capital of Nigeria. It is safe to say that Calabar is the cleanest and most environmentally friendly city in Nigeria. So why don't you join us today as we take you on a virtual tour of this vibrant city, showcasing not just its top attractions but colorful festivals and welcoming community. Get ready to immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of Calabar as we explore this hidden gem in West Africa. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Arlin TV. We're your favorite travel family. Do well to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload videos like this, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. Calabar sits on a hill near the Calabar River and the Cross River Delta. The city is known for its lush tropical vegetation with mangrove swamps along the coast and rainforest inland. Calabar has a rich history dating back to pre-colonial times, where it was a hub for trade and commerce amongst the indigenous people. During the colonial era, Calabar became a major center of the transatlantic slave trade, serving as one of the largest departure points for enslaved Africans who were to be sent to America and Europe. This made Calabar develop really early, and indeed Calabar is a city with lots of firsts. The first Nigerian city to have a secondary school, the first Nigerian city with a hospital, the first Nigerian city with a post office, the first Nigerian town with a barracks, and also the first Nigerian town with a monorail, which is not active now though. Calabar is more than just its history. It's a city that celebrates life and culture like no other, most notably through its world-renowned Calabar Carnival. Every year, millions of people gather to witness the spectacle as the streets come alive with music, dance, and creativity. If you plan to visit Calabar, you can get into the town by air, going through the Margaret Ekpo International Airport, or by boat. There are boat services available linking Calabar to nearby towns. By road, there are several car transportation services available into Calabar from all parts of Nigeria. Beyond its cultural legacy, Calabar is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty. From its lush rainforest to its beaches, the city indeed offers a perfect spot for nature and adventure lovers. If you happen to visit Calabar, here are our top recommendations of places you should visit. Firstly is the Marina Resort. This is a recreational destination in Calabar. It was built by the former Governor Donald Duke, to promote tourism in the state. The resort features a variety of attractions such as a slave history museum, a cinema, a restaurant, a bar, and a waterfront. The resort is built on the site of the former slave port where thousands of Africans were shipped across the Atlantic Ocean during the slave trade. On the 24th of June 2023, a tragic boat accident occurred at the Marina Resort involving 14 medical students who had boarded a boat cruise. The boat capsized, resulting in the death of 3 of the students and the rescue of 11 others. The governor of Cross River State then ordered an immediate suspension of all activities as a result of the loss. If you remember well, we visited the Marina Resort last year and we couldn't gain entrance because of this incident. But we visited again this year and now the place is open for use. We'll be dropping a full tour of the Marina Resort shortly. So if you have not, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so when that video drops, you'll get to see it. We would also recommend you visiting the National Museum, Calabar. This used to serve as the government house during the colonial rule. It is reported that the museum was built in Britain and shipped in bits to Calabar in the late 1800. Despite the age, the building is still standing strong, preserving old relics which are mostly documents, furnishings, and artifacts used during the colonial administration. We have a full video where we drove through the whole of Calabar. We'll be linking that video in the description, so if you want to see what the streets of Calabar look like in 2024, you should definitely check that out. You might also want to consider visiting the Mary Slessor house. Though it is located in Odupani local government area, it is easy to locate from Calabar. When the missionary Mary Slessor arrived in Calabar in 1876, she had a 2-bedroom mud house and veranda built for her with the help of the villagers and the chiefs. This house was then called Fine Pass All by the villagers, who saw it as a treat to visit her. In 1889, a missionary carpenter was then contracted to make a better dwelling house for her out of wood and iron sheets. After her death, this house is currently an important tourist site in Cross River State, where you can just visit and go down history lane. If you are a lover of wildlife and nature, you might want to also consider visiting the Pandos Drill Ranch. This is a conservative center located in Calabar. It is dedicated to the protection and rehabilitation of drill monkeys and other endangered primate species. It was established in 1991 by Lisa Gatsby and Peter Jenkins. The ranch now serves as a sanctuary for these primates, providing a safe home where they can be rehabilitated and eventually introduced back into the wild. The focus of this ranch is the drill monkey, which is endemic to Nigeria and neighboring countries, but is now critically endangered due to habitat loss and other threats. There are also lots of other places you might want to visit in Cross River State, like the Obudu Ranch, the Agbokin Waterfalls in Ikom, the Ikom Monoliths, the Kwa Falls, and a lot of other places. If you visited any of these, or if there are other tourist sites we did not get to mention in this video, also let us know in the comment section. We would love to know from you, our viewers. Would you consider relocating to Calabar in 2024? Would you consider relocating to Calabar? Yeah, Calabar is known for tourism, but would also love to know, would you want to stay there? Would you want to invest in Calabar? Let us know in the comment section. If you have watched till now, you have not subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'd love to know your thoughts on Calabar City in 2024 in the comment section. I'll see you all in our next video. Bye.